To get more of your emails open, you want to make sure you're sending out the best email subject possible. How do you do that? Inside of GetResponse, they have the subject line field. When you're sending a newsletter, it clearly states your message needs a subject line. And this is true, but which subject do you pick? If you only have the option to add one subject line, what do you do? Well, inside of GetResponse, there is an option for an A/B split test. Link in the description. Grab your free account and follow along. What's going to happen inside of your GetResponse account? Again, when you send out a regular newsletter, you only have the option to send one or to add one email subject line. It only makes sense, right? Well, that is in the standard newsletter setting. Under the email marketing settings, they also have the A/B split test. Here you can send out two different variants, and then you can see the results based upon sending those two different variants. And you do that by selecting Create A/B Test. You can actually test on the content or the subject line, but our focus here is testing the subject line to get the best subject line sent, in this case, to the majority of our audience after we run the split test. And we do that here inside of GetResponse with the A/B test. We provide a title here so we know what we're testing. Then we come down here and we select our variant. We have subject line 1, subject line 2. You can actually include a total of 5. I prefer to go with 2, A versus B, and a true A/B split test. You select your recipients, you design your content, then you come down here to configure your A/B test. And here is really where it's powerful. Depending on your list size, you can select a minimal of 2% or you can go up to 50%. So again, depending on the size of your list and making sure this is statistically relevant, you can select and you can move that number around. Here you can also say, should we send the winning message automatically, yes or no? You could just run the test and see the data, or you could run the test of that first 20, 30, 40, 50%, and then have the other 50% or the remaining 50% after the winner is selected. You could have GetResponse send out the email that won or the subject line that won using that email. Here you can determine the winner by open rate or click rate, and then you can select it after a few days, or you can even say after 1 hour. So you could just change that to 1 hour. Then you can have it run the split test. It'll pick a test group, variant A 25%, variant B 25%, and then the winning message will get the subject line that wins, meaning the 50%, the other 50% of your list will get the winner or the winning subject line, meaning that it will get more opens. Then after you create that A/B test, you can see the results here. You can drop down. You can see the test that was ran, and you can see that variant A versus variant B, in this case, variant A won. This was the statement. The statement actually won over the variant B. And then you can view the winner report, which is which one won. So variant A, variant B, or overall. You can also see your A/B test settings right here. And the idea here was the criteria is the open rate, meaning someone saw our winning subject line, or they saw the two variants of the subject line, and then based upon which one got opened the most, then that selected our winner, and then it created a distribution for us of 25% utilizing subject A and 25% utilizing subject B. And then once the winner was picked, that was the remaining 50% of our list. Therefore, sending the bulk, or in this case, splitting it 50-50, or you could dial it down, depending again on your list size. If 20% is, 3 or 4 or 500 users or email subscribers, you could get them to run the split test, get GetResponse to run that split test, A versus B, and you could get a really good idea of which one is the winner, and then send out to the remaining people on your list the winner of that split test. Now, inside of ChatGPT, I use this to come up with a few different variants. Here I have an email inside of ChatGPT, and what I did is I had ChatGPT write me 2 different subject lines, and then I went ahead and said, okay, make one a statement, make the other one a question, and you can see those here. But I also want to dive a little deeper with ChatGPT, and I wanted to say, great, thanks for that. It's always helpful to stop or pause and think, how much more information or how much more helpful information can I give to the AI based upon exactly what I want to see? So I said, based on the idea of doing split testing, and I gave it a very specific piece of information from GetResponse about the way they're going to do their distribution for a broadcast email. And I said, give me more ideas for the types of subject lines to split test for the most effective plan to get more people to open my emails. Here you can see ChatGPT then does what ChatGPT does. It gave me some ideas for subject lines based on the first concept of personalization versus general. Hey, name, your guide to affiliate success awaits. Discover the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Now, if you want to know in GetResponse how to do this, hey, name, of course, it's going to enter the name of your contact or the name that your contact has entered inside of GetResponse when they sign up to your email list. You'd simply just go back to your subject line, and then there's a feature here. You click that feature, and it is called Contact Data Fields. You would simply just select first name, then it would send using that variable. What ChatGPT is doing here, it would say, hey, name, again, whatever name they've entered. Your guide to affiliate success awaits. This is personalization versus just a general. Discover the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Urgency versus calm. Act fast. Limited spots for exclusive affiliate training versus the calm approach. Join our journey into affiliate marketing at your own pace. Benefit, focus versus curiosity. Unlock endless earning potential with our course. Ever wondered how affiliate marketers make it big? And then we have question versus command. Here, are you ready to dominate affiliate marketing in 2024 versus start your affiliate marketing journey now? Humorous versus serious tone. Tired of the same old marketing gimmicks? Serious about making money? Affiliate marketing is the answer. Specific offer versus vague tease. Remember, these are just examples. You're going to do your best to make them the best email subject line to test with, or you're going to have ChatGPT come up with different ideas or different variants of these 6 different types or mix and match, because the idea here is each of these pairs test a different psychological trigger or approach, helping you understand what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the key is to maintain the core message while tweaking the presentation to see what generates the best response. Here I'll just say thanks. Please mix and match these again. Sure, here are some mixed and matched email subject lines for A/B testing. Personalization versus urgency. Benefit, focus versus humor. Specific offer versus question. Curiosity versus command. Serious tone versus calm approach. Each combination tests different aspects of subscriber engagement, helping you to identify the most effective approach for your audience or to send the best email subject line possible, meaning utilizing the A/B split testing inside of GetResponse to test a portion of your list, select a winner, and then utilize that approach, either that idea or the subject line itself, to send out to the winner. So you can automate that, and you could say, yes, this is the best subject line I think I can come up with based upon the A and the B. It won A or B won, go ahead and blast that out to the remainder of my list because it's the best. Or just run the test and let me know which one worked. Personalization versus urgency, benefit, focus versus humor, specific offer versus question, curiosity versus command, serious tone versus calm approach. Which one of these works best with my audience? Now let me go back to newsletters, generate my own newsletter, take the headline that won, utilizing the split test, and then send it out to my entire list, and then increase my open rate, get more opens, get more clicks. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'd like to hear your thoughts on this approach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.